Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I quickly wanted to mention that I did partner up with Dermablend to bring you guys this video today. I'm shook on how their products just made my skin look. You guys will see throughout the video on how amazing like the foundation is, the powder. You guys will see. Like I'm shook it. And of course, like I feel like if you have a good foundation and a good powder, you're good to go. And right now, honestly, I can say that the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Setting Powder, this one right here, is definitely approved by me. Like it's amazing. As you guys can see, like my face does not look powdery at all. It has a very beautiful finish. I feel like it's not cakey at all. Like this foundation is also not cakey whatsoever. These two right here are the key to full coverage makeup. I'm so obsessed, you guys. Like I know that I'm gonna continue to, you know, be wearing this foundation. I can't live without it now. Like I'm so obsessed, you guys. Like my skin looks so good. I'm going to be creating this full coverage foundation routine makeup tutorial. I really love how this makeup look turned out. I'm so shook on how my skin looks. But anyways, I will also have a link to the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Setting Powder on my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check that product out. And what I also love about Dermablend products is that they're dermatology tested, so these products are going to be good for your skin, rather than like breaking it out or having a, you know, severe allergy, which I think it's so good about Dermablend products. But anyways, enough of me rambling. If you want to learn how I did this look, then please continue watching. I'm literally shook on how like really bright I look right now. I did get new lighting and I also got a new mic. I don't know if you guys can hear me more clearly. I hope you can, because this mic was expensive. The lighting was too. But I'm very excited because, you know, this is new equipment, so that means my videos are only getting better. So I'm very excited and happy. I hope you guys are happy with the results too. But anyways, let's start with priming our face. I'm going to be priming my face today with these Lancome primers. First, I'm going to be taking the Prep and Matte primer from Lancome, and I'm going to be applying this on my T-zone. And I'm gonna apply this on this right here on the center. Already moisturized, so we're all good to go with that. Then I'm gonna apply some right here around my mouth, because that's where I really just like my makeup does not want to, you know, last there, so I always put plenty on. And then of course you want to prime your nose. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and prep like this part of my face, which with that I'm just gonna be using the Tint Idole Ultra Wear primer. It's this one right here. All I'm gonna do is put some right here on my cheeks, put a little bit here, a bit on my forehead. Alright, so now I'm going to be applying my foundation, and the reason why I'm going to be doing my foundation first is because I'm going to do very minimal makeup on the eyes. I don't want to do a lot on my eyes. I want to mainly focus on my face and my foundation and my powders and all that. So for today's foundation, I'm going to be taking the Dermablend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Drops, which are these right here, and I actually got two shades with me. And I know for sure the color 43N is like my perfect match, but I want to mix a little bit of 43W just to give it a little bit of warmth. And I'm actually gonna shake these up really quick. Can you hear that? For my new mic. I hope you guys are too. Alright, so there goes one drop and there goes another drop. Just gonna mix these two really quick. I'm just going to be applying, and this is actually not my first time using this foundation. I've used it a couple of times already, and I love the finish. I love it because it's also very lightweight. It doesn't feel like you have so much foundation on, which I absolutely love, and it's also very full coverage, so that's an A+ for me. I feel like I'm just used to full coverage foundations that I can't go back to like BB creams or lightweight foundations. It's just like not my style, you know. So let me just blend this out before, you know, it dries out. And I love taking my beauty blender for this. See, like I had breakouts right there. They're definitely gone now. What I also love about this foundation is that it's oil free, zero oils. It's not gonna make you look cakey, because whenever I encounter, you know, oily foundations, I feel like they just make me feel cakey and just not comfortable. They're not comfortable foundations to be wearing, so I always try to stay away from oily foundations. As you guys can see, like, look at that match. It looks so good already. So now I'm just gonna do this side. Like, look at this coverage, you guys. This is so crazy to me, how a foundation like this can exist. Honestly, like, flawless. My skin looks so good right now. Usually, you know, foundations always separate right here, like in between my nose and like my skin over here, and this foundation is not doing that at all. I feel like whenever I try foundations, they always do that, and it's so annoying. Look at that. And this is such a perfect match for me. Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer. I'm gonna be taking, I got this at a convention center with SkinCeuticals. It was like a dermatologist, like all skin convention center. It was super cool, and I also have a video up on that if you guys want to check it out. But I got this concealer over there. This is the Derma Blend Quick Fix Concealer, and it looks like this, and I got it in the shade medium 35C. And all I'm gonna do, and this is actually my first time trying this concealer out, if you guys are curious to know. But I heard it was really good, and the shade is perfect. Like, I was really scared because it was in a convention center, so I was really scared if I was gonna get like the wrong one, but no, like the lady knew what she was talking about, and it looks so good. So I'm just gonna be blending it out with my sponge. Alright, so now I'm going to be setting my concealer, my foundation, with the Derma Blend Illuminating Banana Powder. And this is how it looks like. Very nice packaging. I've actually never tried this powder, which I'm very excited about. I'm going to pour some on the cap right here. I'm super excited. Now I'm going to set my concealer. I'm going to put some a little bit on my sponge. Then I'm going to look up. This powder is very universal. It's not gonna look ashy on your skin at all, which, I mean, thank you. Because I hate when I put on a powder and it just looks so, like, no color, ashy. It just doesn't look flattering. So I'm so happy that this one looks so good. Like, look how flawless this side looks. Looks like really bright. Also, it's going to make you have like a very luminous finish. So your skin's not gonna look like super matte. It's just gonna look very nice and luminous. And it's also fragrance free, so it's gonna be perfect for those that have sensitive skin. And it's also very universally flattering, so it's gonna look good on anybody and everybody. And also, you guys, which I'm like more shooketh about, that it sets your makeup for up to 16 hours, which I'm just very impressed. My skin right now looks so flawless, and I'm actually gonna touch it and see how it feels. Wow, it feels amazing, even like under the foundation. It feels so good. Okay, now I'm just gonna bronze up a little bit with my Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. Alright, so now I'm just going to be applying my blush. I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted blush, and this is in the shade Blissful. And I'm actually going to be applying a little bit of this powder underneath right here, just to chisel my cheeks a little bit more. Alright guys, so right now that I have this baking, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera and then I'll be right back to finish up the look. Alright, so now that I wiped everything off, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my sponge and just kind of melt everything together so we also don't have like harsh lines or anything. Alright, so for the eyes, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm just going to be taking 2 colors in this palette. I feel like I'm going to be taking Still Shot. All I'm going to do is just kind of run this color through like that. And now I'm going to be taking Baja, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to be taking this one. And after that, I'm going to be taking the darker color, this dark brown. This is the shade Punk. I'm going to be taking a little bit of that and just also applying it on the outer corner. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing that I did to my top to my bottom. And before I apply my eyelashes, I love taking my L'Oreal Voluminous Paradise Mascara. While I wait for my lashes to get a little tacky, I'm going to start applying my highlight. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. This is my favorite, like my all-time favorite drugstore highlighter. Like, look at that. So now I'm going to quickly put mascara on my lower lashes. Also, when I was doing my lips, my camera just decided to turn off on me. So I did apply my, I applied my MAC Strip Down lip liner, and then I also applied my Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal, which is this one right here. It's one of my favorite drugstore lip lacquers. It's so beautiful, as you guys can see. Alright, so last but not least, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm just going to put some of this. Alright guys, so this is the finished result. I absolutely love how my makeup turned out today. My skin just looks so flawless. It just looks like perfect, honestly. Like, it looks so good. I am just absolutely obsessed with the Dermablend Flawless Creator, the multi-use liquid foundation drops, which is this right here. I will definitely have a link down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. It's so good. Like, as you guys can see, my skin just looks flawless. It looks airbrushed and filtered, and I'm just obsessed. Like, and I will also have the shades down below so you guys can go ahead and see what shade I am. You know, if you're around my skin tone, then you can definitely try these shades out. So yeah, you guys, like always, I will have all the products that I used on my face today down on my description box. I will have these products down also on my description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, like and subscribe. Also, comment down below if you guys already tried this foundation and if you love it, because I freaking love it. Let me know also on the description box if you guys are gonna pick this banana setting powder up. I'm shocked, you guys, and it was actually my first time trying the powder and it's amazing. So yeah, just let me know on the comments down below if you guys are, you know, interested in any of these products. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.